sure these guys here ain't gonna get over. Here we go. Go. Boom, just like that, we hit 100 miles an hour.
Call off the dogs and come home to me. Call off the dogs and come on home to me.
This alignment sucks. Look at this. The car pulls left, and the steering wheel is pointing to the right. Ugh. This is why I love LA. Because everybody drives fast.
I keep on trying and trying. Your river's running cold. I keep on diving and diving. I just can't let it go. I keep on trying and trying. Your river's running cold. I keep on diving and
Looks like our first full fill up of the day. We're getting 28.5 miles per gallon. We're looking at 26 miles per gallon. 22.4 miles per gallon between San Diego and Orange and back. AC off, 80 miles an hour, average speed, 27 miles per gallon. One thing that I noticed here in the stop and go traffic of LA is with the engine on and the vacuum support, I can push this brake pedal all the way to the floor. Without vacuum, it doesn't move past, just maybe halfway. Is that a common thing? What do you guys think on that? Is it a time to do a master cylinder, or is this just with the vacuum assist, it will go all the way down? Because I don't think that's right. It's a heck of a lot easier on foot. It's still crazy. Because we're in Hollywood. You see here, even BMW gives you a little bit of sidewall to play with. Volvo does not. So you're kissing curbs with these rims all day long. And you know what that means? These pegs are just burners, man. Because you can't go up a tire size. You are stuck. So you can plastic dip and touch up all you want. But at the end of the day, you're gonna have to live with your choices. This thing feels weird going over speed bumps. Oh, it's almost like it's adjusting its dampening while I'm doing it. It's not happy. I'm gonna remember today as my first day with a Hollywood audition. Put that in the books. Favorite feature? BMWs, man, they're so nice. Oh, everything looks so clean when it's wet. It's usually not. again?
Remember that day?
What?
We were on a jungle gym and the whole thing collapsed on us.
Where?
It was cemented down in South Africa.
These need to be replaced? Yes. Do they fix my problem? No. I mean, come on, there's a bunch of other things they could be. This is our main culprit. These guys are okay, but they're both serviceable parts. You can see all right on both ends. A little bit of a lean on one side, that's fine. And this one here, there's a polyurethane insert for these guys. It's available probably through IPD or something. So I might get that, it's 10 bucks, why not? And right here, our main culprit is the fact that this piece, it's supposed to have some wobble to it, but it's supposed to cushion itself. It's a little bit deteriorated and destroyed. The backside looks okay. I think it gets all the leaning toward the front. Yep. Check her out. Lots of videos already exist on this part, so that's all I'm gonna say about it. There's the solid circle polyurethane one. You could try that. I've got it on the old T5 V70 of mine, and it was all right. Now the next thing I gotta do, transmission mount, polyurethane on this one, and this is stiff. I don't feel any play in this. We'll see how it goes. Oil cap seal, you know, buy a couple, because unless you're upgrading to the IPD one, you know, maybe you'll get a couple years out of this. They're just a common item on all Volvos. Cool, moving on. Boy, I sure do hope I got enough space to make myself a U-turn here. Hashtag our problems. Had a really nice time in California with the R. It was her first time back. I think I got a name for it. I'm gonna call it the Pirate, because it's an R. And time to head back home, 700 miles, picking up a few things. I say home, but it's just like, home is where the parents were. And then bringing everything in the garage in the bus.
Hope below, hope on high, hope in oceans, hope in sky.
We're at about 1,500 miles in, and these brakes are now starting to squeal. Check this out. There it is. A little bit of a vibration too, so they're just not happy with the amount of heat that gets created by a car this size with brakes that size. And you know, Robert was right. Robert DIY. He said as soon as you get them hot, they're going to warp. Now, it wasn't as quickly as I thought it would happen, but now you know, and now I know. We can move on and get some good old-fashioned OEM quality Brembo rotors, or whatever company's making the rotors. Get the Brembo pads for these guys. That way we never have to worry about the brakes on this S60 again. I will avoid a Big Mac at all costs, but man, do these guys have the best coffee everywhere you go. The second time this has happened, it resets my trip meter right as I fill up, and trip 1 and 2 are completely zeroed out. So I'm wondering if that's something anyone else has experienced.